According to latest reports, Hindustan Aeronautics has enhanced the repair and overhaul capability of Su-30 fighter jets at its Nasik division, and has also prepared a proposal to overhaul the AL-31FP engines used in the frontline fighter jet. The public sector defense company has also planned to establish repair and overhaul facilities for RD-33 engines of MiG-29K fighter jets of the Indian Navy. According to the Minister of State for Defense, the Modi government has prioritized the 83 Tejas Mark 1A and 15 light combat helicopters for finalization, for which the Defense Acquisition Council has already given its approval. According to latest reports, the Israeli aerospace industry has signed a $50 million follow-up deal with Mazagon Dock shipbuilders and the Indian Navy to provide complementary Barak-8 medium-range surface-to-air defense systems for naval ships, and it also involves a range of maintenance and other services. This contract is a breakthrough for the Israeli company, as it advances from system development and delivery to looking after the operational needs of Indian Navy. The General Director of the Yantar shipyard has said that the full-scale work on the two modified Grigorov-class frigates is slated to begin, following the transfer of the first portion of payments by the Indian Navy to the United Shipbuilding Corporation of Russia. The first payment is expected to be made by the end of July, and the first frigate is slated for delivery to the Indian Navy at the end of 2022, and the second frigate would be handed over 6 months later. The BrahMos Aerospace will provide a vertical 8-cell launcher, and as the vertical launcher for the BrahMos system has the same size as the Russian Club anti-ship system, so there will be no problems with its installation on the frigates. The Indian Defence Minister has reviewed the setting up of a factory for the production of AK-203 rifles, and he also reviewed the operationalization of newly dedicated joint venture firm known as Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited. Close coordination and regular interactions are being held with Russian partners for a smooth implementation of the project. The AK-203 rifles project has the potential to act as catalyst for the UP defense corridor, as it is expected to source a number of components and services from Indian medium and small-scale industries. The Defense Minister also stressed the need for 100% indigenization of the rifle and its export to other friendly countries. The Vice President of Strategy and Business Development of Lockheed Martin Aeronautics has said that the Indian company Tata Group will soon start making the wings of the F-16 fighter jet. The contract has been signed with Tata Group, and the manufacturing of the parts is not dependent on winning the 114 fighter jet contract of the Indian Air Force. He also said that the partnership with the Indian industry on both the F-21 fighter jets for the Indian Air Force and S-76 helicopter for the Indian Navy will put India at the epicenter of world's largest defense ecosystem, and it also promises export opportunities. India's Bharat Dynamics Limited will have an order book of 25,000 crore rupees for the next 5 years, and the company is planning to set up a new facility for manufacturing the very short-range air defense system, and it is likely to cost 300 crore rupees. Bharat Dynamics Limited is engaged in co-development programs with the DRDO for quick reaction surface-to-air system, the upgraded Akash 1S variant, next-generation Akash system, indigenous man-portable ATGM system, and the Astra air-to-air system.
Omar dropped it.